My name is Stefan Honkenaut. I am Director of Innovation at Hiab, and my responsibility is to look after the innovation process and that development in Hiab. Over the last couple of years, we have invested significant money in our lab here in Hudiksvall.
The investment in this laboratory is of high importance for Hiab to be able to test equipment for autonomous products in a controlled way. With this investment, Hiab will be able to explore the safety functions such as object identifications. We will also be able to explore new features for our service people, such as service apps and other helpful equipment for people in the field that serves our customers.
For us at Hiab, customer values are very important, and that's what driving our activities. For example, in our case, performance, ease of use, or safety. One example could be that is the semi-automatic folding that we just recently launched, or SAF as we call it, where we really make it much easier for the driver to fold the crane in a safe manner.
Hiab Vision. This is a control system for operating a forestry crane based off using the virtual reality. The biggest development which we did during last couple years, and of course wouldn't be possible without dedication of guys from New Business Solution.
So consider Hiab Vision. We are unique in the marketplace with Hiab Vision. Still, we're only at the dawn of what we can actually create for the future. So with the Vision Lab, we can explore new technologies and more various technologies that we can develop into further providing value to our end customers.